Hello people on the internet. Today what I found is actually a Windows 11 in a browser, in your browser. So I found this website just now which is called Win11 in React. So let's click on this website here. And it says here, this open source project is made in the hope to replicate the Windows 11 desktop experience on web using standard web technologies like React, CSS, and JavaScript. This project is not in any way affiliated with Microsoft and should not be confused with Microsoft operating system or products. And this is also not Windows 365 on 365 Cloud PC. And this project is licensed under Creative Commons. And then if you want to contact the developer, you can contact him via this email. Right, so this is just basically Windows 11 recreated using React, CSS, and JavaScript for people to actually experience how it's using how can I say this, for people to experience actually what does it feel like to use Windows 11. So let's click this and start using this. So over here we have some icons, and you can also right click on the desktop, and we can change desktop background too just by clicking next desktop background. And we can also refresh our desktop like we usually can in a normal Windows 11. And we can change the size of our icon either to have it as large or medium, and I prefer small because it looks better. And then we can also sort our icon, can add new stuff, folder, but that doesn't seem to work for now, I guess. Can click on display settings, which doesn't work as well. We can click on we cannot click on personalize, that doesn't work. But if you click on terminal, it works just as it would on a normal PC. How cool is that? Can we open PowerShell from here? No, we can't. Right, so can we click on this? No, we can't, but we can click on Spotify. There we go. We have a bunch of music here. The recommended one are Indian music, I guess, by default. So let's browse for some music. What music should I search for? I don't really listen to music, so I don't really know much about music, but perhaps we can find a podcast and test if it actually works. Search for that, safety tat. That's weird. That doesn't seem to appear here. Right, never mind about that. Can click on this. I think this is a game of some sort that they have installed. That doesn't seem to be available now, so just go back. And then let's take a look at the file explorer. We have our normal icon like we supposed to have in a normal Windows 11 PC. We can click on each of these, but we doesn't seem to have much here. I think that's it for the file explorer, and let's take a look at the Microsoft Store. Oh, it actually worked. Nice. All right, so let's try getting Telegram. If it actually work, it would be nice. Okay, so let's click on Telegram, but unfortunately clicking on Telegram doesn't seem to work too. So let's quit out of Microsoft Store and check their browser. It actually worked. Look at that. So let's search for youtube.com. Right, say here, if it shows refuse to connect, then that website doesn't allow the website to show the content. I cannot fix it. How about google.com? It doesn't seem to work as well. How about archlinux.org? That doesn't work. So I might quit out of this. So this is, I guess this is their GitHub pages. It seems to be redirecting me to their new page, to the GitHub pages. There you go. So this is the GitHub pages. You can basically take a look at the source code here, because this is an open source project, so the code is available for everybody to take a look over here. Oh yeah, I forgot about the app launcher. So let's take a look at the app launcher real quick. Take a look here. The app launcher works as it normally should work. How cool is that? And I don't really know what does. Oh, this is for the application launcher. Oh, this is the application launcher right here, and this is the search search thingy. I don't know what's that. And let's take a look at the setting. Okay, setting is coming soon. And the file manager again, and the Spotify, which I've opened, same with the Microsoft Store. So let's try searching for something here. How about Word? That doesn't work. How about using this one, Word? So let's try clicking on one apps to see if it works. Hello? That doesn't seem to work. How about Discord? Discord actually work. Do this version of Discord require login? I'm not sure. I think this won't really work. So I think I'm not really gonna go deep into the Discord and all of those apps that are available. So I think this is such a cool project to give people that sensation of how does it feel like to use Windows 11 without actually installing Windows 11 on their PC. So I think that's it, and I hope you enjoy it.